What is the best way to get into GRC, and do I have a GRC course? The best way to get into GRC is if you have any kind of IT experience, you want to put all the security best practices on your resume. I've got a resume you can download to give you some idea of what kind of stuff they're looking for, because it's not super, you'd be surprised. It's not all super technical. A lot of it's writing. A lot of GRC work is writing, technical writing. If you've written policies before, you want to put that stuff on your resume. If you've taught cybersecurity, if you've worked with the organization to help to manage their risk, if you've done risk assessments, if you've done audits, if you've done this kind of thing before, if you've helped write the security processes and procedures, you want to put that on your resume. That's what GRC positions are looking for. People who can write, people who can, not just technical hands-on. They want people who can write, people who can speak to others too. Because a lot of people in IT, they're not good at speaking with others. They're just not good at it. They want to be locked in a closet and do their technical stuff. They're not good at talking to people. They're not good at dealing with difficult situations either. You want to put that stuff on your resume. So that's one thing you can do. Another thing is Security Plus is a really good GRC certification for entry-level type people. And then your other question was, do you have a GRC course? I have a GRC course that focuses on the NIST 800, and I'll show you guys that. I haven't been marketing this thing as much because I've been on this. I've been telling people about ConvoCourses, about getting jobs in this ConvoCourses. But let me show you where this is. So here it is, right? I'm on ConvoCourses.com, and I apologize for this site. I'm trying to do something better for this site. But if you go to all courses, I've got downloadable free stuff here. If you want to do that, I've got, and the only reason I do this is because people keep asking me how to get in this, what they do and all this kind of stuff. So I just created this stuff because people are asking me. Number one, I got books that walk you through the risk management framework process, which is a GRC process. I've got audio books for it. You can also find these on Amazon. These are real books. They're been edited. I took time to write these. I poured my experience into it. But if you want a walkthrough, a complete walkthrough, how to do all this stuff with downloadable templates and everything, this is walking you through a complete GRC process. This is really my specialty. This is something I do the best. I could talk for hours about how to do this off the top of my head because I've just been doing it for years. So if you get this course, you're getting this from a person who's been doing this for apps for years. I really know what I'm doing. Companies pay me a lot of money to do this. So here it is right here. Now there's an entry level. If you don't know if you want this, there's a free preview that has the entry level of this. If you don't want to drop that money on it, that's fine. Or you can actually just check out the book. The book also will walk you. It's on Amazon. It's on my site, all that kind of stuff. So yes, I do have one. Thanks for answering the question so I can actually promote my stuff. I appreciate that.